What's going on YouTube? CJ here with the Trading Collective, an education-based community of traders, coming at you today with another video on scalping. We've talked about scalping in the past. We're going to talk about it in relation to meme stocks and how I like to trade them in particular. But before we go any further, please smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you haven't already done so. We do live trading every single day in our Discord. Look for the link down below. And if you're interested in becoming a part of the Trading Collective, we have a 14-day free trial, which includes access to our university as well as the Selene algo. So we're going to roll right into it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. So we're looking at the AMC video, or the AMC chart here on the 1 minute, and this is about 2 o'clock in the day, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I look for when I'm scalping specifically meme stocks. So I'm looking for a couple things here. I'm looking for a pattern, of course. What TA trader isn't? But I'm looking specifically for a channel up pattern, and I like to trade within that pattern, but on a 1 minute. And I'm not using a whole lot of moving averages. I'm not using any of that kind of stuff. This is known as essentially like a price action trading style, as well as a pattern trading style. So it's about 2 o'clock in the day. These support and resistance lines that I'm about to throw down on the chart come from a 5-minute chart, and I'm just going to drop them here and here. We're going to talk about them just in a second. But you can see this staring at you in the face, a channel up pattern that has developed from here to here. Bam. So we've got a channel up pattern here on AMC on the 1 minute. Now, this really can't be established until the third time that it's tested the bottom of this. So two is a coincidence and 3 is a pattern. That's at least how I like to trade. So we're seeing here a double top of this resistance line, and then on the third time we're seeing it break through. So we're seeing the top of this channel uptrend be established right here as well. Here, I'll just draw a little circle. So this is when the channel uptrend is actually established. So we're not taking, a first entry on a support necessarily. We're not taking a second entry on the assumed channel uptrend. Hell, we're not even going to take this third one because we don't have a top for our channel uptrend. At this point, the chart looks like an ascending wedge, which we're not going to trade. So we're waiting to see, we're suspecting a possible resistance breakout, which would confirm a channel up trend. So we're actually going to take this position right here. So we would have liked to see a nice doji and then big green engulfing candle. So this is almost considered a doji. This is a better example of a doji down here. But then we're getting a nice big green engulfing candle breaking through this resistance for a 4th time, and we're going to retest the top. So this would have been a great point of entry. This would have been a little aggressive, but honoring your technical analysis and this channel uptrend, which has been tested 1, 2, 3 times now. So on this 4th time, you would have gotten in here, and then you would have ridden it all the way up to the triple top for the channel uptrend. You would have sold preferably right here. Ideally, I'm going to show you, you really wanted to sell right here at 30.51, maybe even 30.50, because this is a double top. Boom, boom. Remember, that's a very bearish pattern. And then it goes back down, continues its cycle. This would have netted you a pretty good percentage. I like to play, when I'm playing meme stocks are very volatile. I play, it's not recommended, out of the money, close to the money, but out of the money weekly options. Again, not very advisable thing, but with the volatility around these meme stocks, scalping them can be, can net you some serious gains when you're on out of the money calls. So anyways, that's how you do scalping in general, which we talked about before. But with meme stocks and AMC in particular, you really want to wait until the pattern's been established. You don't want to necessarily jump into a trade right at the beginning of the day, unless you have some very confident lines that are, dated on higher time frames. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.